Hi, this is Raksil and welcome to another video of custom ROM flashing, custom ROM review. I daily upload custom ROM flashing guide, custom ROM review and other custom ROMs related stuff. And if you really enjoy watching content like this, then consider subscribing the channel to prove that you are not a gay bot, and turn on the notification bell too, so that you get notified whenever I upload new video in the future, right? Okay, so here I have installed ArrowOS Android 12, and if we go to settings, about phone, Android 12, we get to see ArrowOS version 12.0 GApps official, right? If we move this to 12, we get to see Easter egg, right? And here security patch is 5th November 2021, and the kernel is PARP kernel, also known as Arrow kernel, right? And SE Linux status is missing here, you can see, right? And if we go to Play Store, about here, device is certified, right? And the safety net, okay, safety net is passed. And the camera you get here is camera go, but here you get portrait mode, photo, right? It's working perfect, but you don't have that 48 megapixel or night mode. You get translator, right? And if you go to settings, you get this type of look. This is Google Camera Go, right? Wideband CDM security level L1, right? There is no problem with your game sound and watching videos, right? And here's the Antutu score of this custom ROM, 536,299, right? This is a pretty good score. And Geekbench score, this is the Geekbench score, 2535. This is the multi score, and the single score is 743, right? And if we go to settings, you don't get any customization here, right? If we go to battery, you get thermal profiles, default, and battery usage, wallpaper, lock screen. You get the monet is working fine here, right? But you don't have that online wallpaper, I guess, and you don't have that monet picker, like basic monet color or accent picker, right? You don't get that. And if we go to home setting, you get to see quick step launcher here, and widgets, you get Easter egg, widgets, clock style, you get Android 12 clock style, and stopwatch. We go this, and let's pick this one, right? Let me remove this one, and you can also resize this clock widgets like this, right? And this is working perfect. And you get to see here Google Sound Search, right? This is Google Sound Search. You get camera lens, Google Lens, translate text, homework, shopping, places, dining, and you get Google Fit on the left side of your home screen, right? I have tested other custom ROM as well, so I feel it's little bit, it's not that smooth, I guess. Okay, once it's load, it's smooth, right? Gesture, you get your system navigation, 3-button navigation, gesture navigation, right? Quickly open camera, double click on the power button, you get that, and press and hold power button for assistant, right? Okay, it's working. Talk to Google with the power button. Turn on do not disturb.
Turning do not disturb on.
Okay, it turn on, right? Turn off do not disturb.
Turning do not disturb off.
Okay, it turn off right now. You can use that. Swipe to screenshot, 3 fingers. Okay, it's working, right? Okay, it's working. Enable advanced restart option. If you enable this, you will get advanced restart option, right here, right? You get system recovery, bootloader. Double tap anywhere on the status bar to put the device to sleep, right? Okay, it's working. And the fingerprint here, you can see. It's smooth, but not that fast, I guess. If we go to quick settings, you get these looks, Android 12 looks. Here you get screen recorder, dark theme, extra dim, caffeine mode, ambient display, focus mode, right? Let's try screen recorder, internal device audio and microphone, that is external and internal audio, right? Let's record this. Yeah. Okay, this is with recording, right? It's smooth, the recording is smooth, the recording is going on, right? Now let's play the recording. It's processing, it's processed. Now let's play. Okay, this is with recording, right? Okay, it's good. I haven't seen any major bugs in this custom ROM till now. You can definitely try this custom ROM if you want to for experience Android 12, right? And to install this custom ROM, you need ArrowOS and TWRP custom recovery. If you use Orange Fox recovery, encryption is not gonna work. I use Orange Fox recovery because my phone is decrypted. To know if your phone is encrypted or decrypted, go to settings and go to security. Here you will see encryption and credential, right? Here you can see phone not encrypted. If your phone is encrypted, then it will say phone is encrypted, right? Or if you don't get this option here, just here you can search here, just search encrypt, and you get here, right? Click here and you get to see here, right? You can watch the video how to install ArrowOS from the description, link in the description. All right. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy watching content like this, like custom ROM flashing, custom ROM review, custom ROM updates, then please consider subscribing the channel, and it doesn't cost you to subscribe someone's channel. This way you can help and support the channel to grow, and it really motivates me. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Peace out. Goodbye. bye.